Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Audi A3 wiper blades. First, you'll need to put your wiper arms into the service position. This usually involves turning the ignition off, then pushing and holding the wiper stalk down for a few seconds. This raises the wipers so they clear the hood. Always have a soft cloth or towel ready to place on your windshield. This simple step acts as a buffer, protecting your glass if a wiper arm accidentally snaps back. Once the wiper arms are in the service position, gently lift one arm away from the windshield until it locks into place. Be very careful not to let it spring back. Next, you'll find a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade off the arm. Sometimes they can be a little stiff, so a gentle wiggle might help. Remember to keep a firm grip on the arm. Now it's time to install your new Audi A3 wiper blades. Take one of your new blades and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it firmly until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, carefully and gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest properly. After installing both new blades, it's crucial to test them. Get back into your Audi A3, turn the ignition on, and activate your windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance closely. They should make full contact with the glass and clear water without leaving any streaks or missed spots. If everything looks good, you can take the wipers out of service position by repeating the initial stalk movement. For other great deals and helpful products, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.